You just tripped, man. Bro, I didn't trip. Bro, I literally just watched you trip. What are you talking about? I was trying to inspect the floor. You dropped your phone. Well, maybe I just needed a close look at the ground. Why didn't you think about that, huh? Your phone is literally cracked now. Well, see, that was just a part of my plan in order to get my mum to buy me a new phone. You need to think harder. Bro, just admit that you're wrong already. You are not being held at gunpoint. You won't die if you admit that you're wrong. I refuse. You are literally limping. It's just a new walking style, man. It's pretty fashionable, right? Yeah, this is the last time I'm talking to you. Oh, you're walking away. So you're basically admitting that you were wrong, right?